Well, Skylar, it's nighttime. We can't go to the beach at night, okay? How about something else? Can we do something else?
Cuddle.
Okay, we can cuddle.
Love you.
I'll give you a treat as soon as you eat your dinner. You can come on up here and cuddle with Mommy. Come on up and cuddle. Come on. No, you gotta eat your dinner.
Good.
Bed? You want a treat on your bed. Oh, because I used to sometimes put treats on his bed. That's right. I know which one you want. You want the big one that I always, like the rawhide that I give you on your bed. After dinner. If you eat your dinner, I'll give you a rawhide on your bed. But you haven't had any of your dinner. Just eat some dinner. All right, let me see how much you've eaten.